Little Dreamers Club. Little Dreamers Club. MyBookBox. Share your love of reading with your little ones by signing up for this monthly subscription that will send you 2 books a month from your 2 favorite genres, as well as an added surprise. This way you can either select 2 children's books or join the fun yourself by choosing to get a kid's book and an adult book for yourself. Ginger F says, my kids love their book box. I have a 9-year-old and a 6-year-old. I get 1 mid-grade and 1 picture book. They have loved all their selections, plus there is normally a little thing in there for me as well. Candle book sample price from $95/month. The clay box. The clay box. Toy box monthly. Toy box monthly. MyEduCrate. If you've got kids who've grown at the word learning, then MyEduCrate is just the ticket to making it fun again. Developed by certified teachers, this box is aimed at kids 6-11. Every month they receive a box with a new theme that includes everything from books to hands-on educational activities. Francisco M. writes, MyEduCrate is everything they say they are and more. Every month my son looks forward to receiving and finding out what new exciting book and challenge he has to complete in addition to the wonderful different themes they have every month. Are we there yet with so much FUN? Thank you MyEduCRT3 price from $95/month. LaLaHorse. Know a little girl or boy who loves horses? Look no further for the perfect gift than this awesome monthly horse box that comes with horse-themed toys, books, trinkets, and other items. Stephanie E. says, such a great box for horse-loving kids. The box was so nice, everything wrapped in colorful tissue paper like a present. She was excited when she saw the horse emblem on the outside, but literally started jumping up and down when she started opening it up and pulling everything out. She is only 3, almost 4. They have a questionnaire, and they did send age-appropriate stuff for her. She received a boxed set of 4 horses, 2 separate larger horses, a big coloring book, a felt coloring page, and a box of crayons. The box is great quality. I highly recommend it. Price $0/month. Owl Post Books. Owl Post Books. Little Learner's Busy Box. Craft Box. Craft Box.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.